Hello, programmers. So I really hope that you have completed all the three of your projects, right? And now this is a little video about what to do next. And before I begin with that, I want to tell you about the third project, a little note you can say. So there is a possibility of improvement in the project, uh, and that is with respect to the if block that specifies the uh, condition for the draw in the tic-tac-toe game. So there is a possibility of improvement there, and the same thing I had also described in the description box at the end, but you may not go and read up to the end, and therefore I am including this in this very video. So while run your program multiple times, and for one of the condition you may realize that there is a little problem with that position of the if block. Maybe you can just try and work it out yourself. So this is a little thing that can help you. Maybe just think of it as a little assignment maybe. And apart from this, uh, I really hope that you make good use of these projects. And if you have a computer science background, take them to the next level, do something more good with them, because all of these are basic things, and there is definitely a lot of scope of improvement to these projects. And maybe for example, you can develop a GUI Tkinter app, of the one very similar that we developed in the quantum computing app for single qubit visualization. So that is one sort of idea that you can do. So that was one thing. So improving the existing projects, building upon them. And the other thing was about our tic-tac-toe, a little possibility of improvement, right? And apart from these two things, the other thing that I would like to highlight is what next. So after you have completed these Python projects, actually, if I tell you, was an attempt to help the people from physics background to get some good idea of Python and building logic. And now, as we move further, there will be a few things running in parallel on the channel. So on one side, I will be just uploading machine learning projects, quantum machine learning projects, and then on the other side, I will be I will try to give some hands-on quantum computing. So it should not happen that you just keep on learning the basic theory. So I will a separate playlist on hands-on quantum computing will be started, and we will also go for quantum physics for beginners, for quantum physics with respect to quantum computing. That is important for you to know. And this particular playlist will help the people from the computer science background to get some more understanding of quantum physics for quantum computing. And that's the future plan, and I hope you are excited for this, because I am. And thank you for watching this video, and also for working out for this complete entire playlist and completing these three projects. I hope to see you soon in the next playlist.